Years ago, dopamine had to be earned. Humans got it after doing hard things. Hunting, building, learning, creating. Effort came first, reward came after. But today, everything has changed. Now dopamine is everywhere. Social media scrolling, junk food, gaming, pornography, endless notifications. Each one gives your brain a huge reward for doing almost nothing. And when your brain gets used to rewards without effort, everything real starts to feel boring. Working feels exhausting, studying feels impossible. Building something meaningful feels painfully slow, not because you're lazy, but because your brain has been trained to expect constant stimulation, and that addiction quietly destroys your ability to focus, create, and build anything meaningful. But today, that changes, because in this video, you'll learn a dopamine detox system that actually works. Step 1. Remove cheap dopamine. Cheap dopamine is instant pleasure without effort. Endless scrolling, junk food binges, hours of gaming, constant phone checking. These rewards train your brain to chase easy stimulation. That's why someone can watch videos for 3 hours, but can't focus on work for 10 minutes. So start here. Identify the biggest sources of cheap dopamine in your life and remove them for 14 days. No mindless scrolling, no constant stimulation. And when cheap dopamine disappears, your brain slowly resets. Step 2. Learn to be bored. Most people today are terrified of boredom. The moment they feel it, they reach for their phone. But boredom isn't the enemy. It's your brain's reset button. When your mind isn't constantly stimulated, your dopamine levels rebalance and your focus begins to recover. Go for a walk without your phone. Sit quietly for a few minutes. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That's withdrawal. But push through it, and your ability to focus will return. Step 3. Earn your dopamine. Your brain doesn't need less dopamine. It needs better dopamine, the kind that comes after effort. Finish a difficult task, complete a workout, learn a new skill, then reward yourself. Because the rule is simple: effort first, reward second. And once your brain learns that, everything changes. Final message. The modern world is designed to steal your attention. But the moment you control your dopamine, you control your life. This isn't a quick fix. It's a system that rebuilds focus, discipline, and clarity. And discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through the habits you repeat every day. Subscribe to Mind Logic for more videos on mastering your mind.